Hey guys, today we are unboxing my first Swatch. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Crystyle, and today we're doing an unboxing of a Swatch. For all of my new subbies and new visitors, hey girl, hey. We are about all things fashion, skincare, wellness, and you know, all those worldly, womanly things. And if that is your vibe, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification so that you can know when I post new videos. And for my returning subs and watchers, hey, 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 thanks for coming back. We appreciate you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend, because we're on the road to 1K subs. So like always here, we start with the outfit of the day. Today's outfit of the day is just a quick one piece. It's an old H&M find with some dad sandals from Target. Of course, braids that I've got going on. If you follow me on TikTok and Instagram, then you know all about these braids and how they came to be. Just something simple, cool, casual to be around the house in. All right, well, enough of that. Let's go ahead and get straight into the unboxing. Well, if you know anything about Swatch or watches in general, Swatch has been around since like the 80s. You know, it was one of the first like quartz watches. So that was really, really important. And back then it was actually a great thing because it was battery operated, and technically they keep better time than automatic watches. So I have my phone here with some notes on it. So I was able to snag one of the moon swatches, actually Mission to Saturn. That's it, just the receipt. So it cost $260, but it came up to $283.14. And there we are, Mission to Saturn. Now, to be clear, this Omega and Swatch collab is not new by any means. It was actually released in like the 26th of March of 2022. So it's pretty much over a year old at this point. However, I didn't find out about it until last fall, and I started looking at it, doing a little bit of research, and said, you know, I'm in the mood for a new watch, and you know, instead of adding automatic, I might add one of these quartz, because you know, Swatch has always been pretty nostalgic for me as a millennial growing up in the 80s, and it's very much so a really nice collab in my opinion. We did a little change of scenery. Mission to Saturn. It is a beautiful color combo, to be honest. I really enjoyed color combo of this watch in particular. So when these watches were released back in March 2022, they were all the rage. They were selling out everywhere. All of them, couldn't get your hands on any of them. So luckily I found out about it in fall, which was perfect, because now I can get them freely. All except for my second favorite, which is the Neptune. So the order of my favorites was the Saturn, Neptune, and the Pluto. They had the Pluto there at the store, and I tried it on my wrist, and it just didn't give what it was supposed to give. So I definitely went with the Saturn. There are a total of 11 watches in the collection, and they have a few of the moon watches that they do special editions of every full moon. Now, tip, you gotta follow their Instagram to see when they're gonna drop and where you can buy them from, because they're not sold at every Swatch store. Going back into our unboxing, this is what it looks like when you get it out of the box. Now, I must say that when I did go to try these on, I was disappointed about having a Velcro watch strap. Very disappointed actually, because when I first tried it on with the original strap, it was a big kind of bulky mess basically where the strap folded over, and I really wasn't a fan of that. Luckily, she had some small ones available. When we put on the smaller strap, it fit a lot better on my wrist, so a couple facts about this watch. It is a quartz watch, meaning that it's battery operated. It is 3-bar water resistance, which means basically just wash your hands and don't get it wet any more than that, because it's made by what they call a bioceramic material, which is the case is a bioceramic material. Basically 2/3 ceramic and 1/3 plastic. So it's kind of their own mix that they call it bioceramic. Big deal when this watch came out. And of course, like usual in the watch community, you have a whole bunch of skeptics who were like, oh, that watch is trash, that watch is this, that watch is that. But to actually be honest, was really a good idea for Omega, because number one, they were kind of losing in the watch game. You know, they used to be #2 behind Rolex, and recently they had changed to be #3 or 4, I believe. So them doing this actually allowed them to get their hands into more younger generation, more people who could actually afford that price range of $260, as opposed to the original Omega Watchmaster, which hits for about six to 8,000. I think it really depends on if you're getting it new or if you're getting it on the used watch market. People start talking, that people want to look it up, and people want to Google it, and they want to see what this Omega Speedmaster is. Da, 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 da. Editing me here, I had a quick section where I was just babbling on, but the summary was that the sales of the Speedmaster went up in addition to the sales of the Swatch Speedmaster collab. So I really thought it was actually a good move for them. Back to the watch. I do like it overall. The coloring is great. Saturn is the only watch that has the actual planet in the center. The colors, you know, the green and the brown and the sandy color, to me are like the neutrals. I really enjoy the neutrals a lot. The strap is probably gonna go. You know, I've been looking into some other options like a NATO strap or even a silicone strap. I'm still in between which one I'm gonna try. I'm thinking NATO. Comment below and let me know, what do you guys think? Do you think I should get a NATO strap or a silicone strap or even a leather strap? What do you think would be the best strap options? And while you're there, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment and share with your friends to let them know that, you know, I'm making new videos all the time. Overall, I think the watch is great. It's 40 diameter, which is perfect for my small wrist. I do not like small ladies' watches. I prefer my watches to be a little bigger. So I really like a 40 or higher case diameter. And then the lug to lug on this watch is very narrow, so it actually sits a lot more flush against the wrist. And I have a small wrist. It is small, little bitty wrist. So I really like the way the watch sits on the wrist. It's very flush, and I like the colors. However, my second choice, Neptune, and my third choice, Pluto, I may or may not get. You know, if I can get my hands on the Neptune, I will. The Neptune, I really like that deep blue color, and I do not have not one watch that has blue in it. I'm trying to see if I could probably get my hands on that one, but I don't know. That will definitely be to be continued. Other things in the box include the little booklet that talks about all of the watches in the Moon Swatch collection. Warranty card, comes with a 2-year warranty. In addition, just, you know, all the safety features that they always put. And that is it for what's in the box. In summary, I really like the watch. The pros are that it's very lightweight, neutral color, so I could wear it with anything. The design of the watch overall. The only con is, besides that 3-bar water resistance, is also the strap. I do not care for the strap. I'll keep it on for a little bit, but I will be putting the strap away and finding a new strap option. In short, I was very pleased with my purchase. I am looking into some more automatic watches that I want. I actually have quite the list of automatic watches. We're gonna call it the automatic watch wish list that I've kind of been compiling over the last probably 4 to 5 years. Comment down below and let me know if you want a video on my watch wish list, because that's definitely something I would love to share with you guys. Swatch is definitely a fun, throw on, very lightweight watch that I could just put on with anything. And the fact that it's a chronograph is always a plus, because I actually do use my chronograph throughout the day just for random things. So I definitely am excited that I got this watch, and I'm really hoping to get the Neptune as well. So wish me luck, guys. We're gonna cross our fingers and hope that maybe, just maybe, I can find it actually from the retail store. The amount of money that they're charging for these watches on the secondhand market, you don't want to spend that money. It's not worth that money. But thank you so much for joining me today with this Swatch unboxing. Comment down below and let me know if you have a Swatch, or if you got one of the Moon Swatch collection. Which one did you get? What makes you like it? What makes you don't like it? And what other videos would you like to see from me going forward? If you made it all the way to the end of this video, thank you so much for sticking through the entire video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know when the next one is coming. You will be first to know. And don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Instagram, as well as Pinterest, and check out my YouTube shorts. I have plenty of new ones that are coming up on the channel every day. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.